So I'm going to be giving an update on why the XRP price is falling today and how many coins you should be holding in order to get rich in this next bull cycle. One thing you don't want to do if you're currently holding on to XRP is sell it. This is not the right time to do that. You should be trying to maybe buy a little bit more, average in when the price is going down. Then obviously, if you need to take some profits when things go up, you can do that. But me personally, I'm a long-term holder. So I really don't plan on selling anything until we get at least to 10 to 12 bucks, which I'm hoping happens sooner than later. Okay, first up, we've got an article here on Cointelegraph.com where kind of explains why the XRP price is going down today. So I'm going to go over it. Okay, so on July 24th, XRP price dropped 8% to 68 cents, underperforming the crypto market's 3.5% decline on the same day. The XRP USD pair declined amid growth expectations that the Fed would raise interest rates by 25 basis points. It's in July 25 to 26 meeting. A higher rate environment is considered bad for cryptocurrencies like XRP. As a result, some traders have rotated out of high cap cryptocurrencies to seek shelter in safer assets like the US dollar. Honestly, I don't really believe that. It says XRP price climbed 75% on July 13th, which was awesome, but it was unable to extend its gains above $1. Since then, the token's price has fallen by 28%. On the other hand, the US dollar index bounced nearly 2% in the same period. Meanwhile, the correlation coefficient between DXY and XRP was 0.79 on July 24th compared with 0.25 on July 13th, showing a greater likelihood of XRP dropping further if the dollar keeps rising in the coming months. Okay, so what's next for XRP in July? And it just says, from a technical perspective, it's actually not doing that bad at all. And the bearish scenario here is that the XRP price is going to decline towards 59 cents, which could happen still in July or early August. But the bull scenario is that we could go all the way up to $1.15 if it swings, to the bull scenario. So looking at the price right now, let's pull it up. Yeah, it's currently at 70 cents, which is a little bit disheartening because, if we take a look at the 1 month on it, it looks like we went to what? Almost, what is that? I think like 85 cents. I know some exchanges had it different, but, even if you look at this, though, we were what? At 47 cents before the SEC case ruling. So, honestly, the thing here is I wouldn't sell, but that's me personally, not financial advice. Obviously, I always like to pull up my Uphold account because, I'm holding a decent chunk on here. I've got around 38,000 coins. I keep most of my coins in offline wallets, though. I've got over 200,000 XRP. I've been buying this for I don't even know how many years. I want to say 6 maybe. It's been quite a while that I've been stacking XRP, but obviously, if you guys are looking to buy some more XRP right now, it's obviously been relisted on a lot of different exchanges, but Uphold, they've been supporting the XRP army since the SEC case started. It was actually one of the only places in the United States you could buy it. So, I would get it here. They're also going to be implementing some XRPL stuff where you can actually secure your XRP on here in cold storage. I don't know when that's releasing, but it'll be pretty soon. Kind of excited for that update. So if you guys do want to, learn more about Uphold or check them out, we'll have some bonus and resource links directly below in the description. Okay, and I also wanted to point out that what I think you need to be holding, once again, not financial advice, and I know it's not realistic for a lot of people, but I really think you need to be holding at least 50 to 100,000 XRP, if you want to become a millionaire on XRP, in this next bull cycle. That's what I think, right? 50,000, you're going to need a $20 price, which is still possible. 100,000, you need $10 for an XRP, which is also very possible as well. All right, the last thing I'm going to do here is go over some other coin recommendations for you guys because, even though XRP is awesome, you should be diversified in other coins. So let's check those out. One we got to take a look at is Stellar XLM. So, XRP and Stellar, they in the past have kind of moved in tandem and, over whatever it is, like the last week, there's been a pretty big move on XLM. It looks like it went from whatever it is, right around 9 cents to we're at, what would it go to? to go to, yeah, it went from 9 cents to 16 cents. Now it's back down to around 12. You know, I think this is a great coin to get into to kind of diversify yourself against XRP. You know, Stellar is a banking coin as well, but it's for individual users, and it's got some of the same characteristics as XRP. It's actually ranked number 23 right now of all coins. So yeah, I would take a look at it. And remember, none of this is financial advice. All right, then we got Cronos. So kind of taking a different approach to this. This is the Crypto.com coin. And, you know, exchanges and exchange coins have not done too great. But, you know, you still got the Binance coin that's holding its top 10 position. XRP recently overtook it. It's kind of been moving back and forth with the Binance coin. But I think if you're looking for an undervalued play, this one's definitely it. Now, Coinbase is in the process of getting out of whatever legal issues they have with the SEC, trying to end them. And I think that, you know, we're going to see Crypto.com rise. Yeah, I totally see it. Anyways, Crypto.com, I would take a look at it. I think as well, if you're looking at Coinbase, what that stock's doing, I feel like it's going to have an effect as well on this one. So I would take a look at this. Long term, anywhere from 50 cents to $1. I really like Cronos. Okay, then you've got the Engine coin. You know, Engine has been one of my favorites in the gaming metaverse space for a long time. I've talked about it quite a bit. It's got a great price point right now. I mean, market cap is just sitting at like 300 million. You know, I think this is a 10 billion plus market cap crypto in the future. And, you know, as things kind of turn more into the metaverse over time, I do think a lot of these gaming metaverse coins are going to do well. And I think Engine's probably one of the best because they've been around for a long time, well over a decade. Then obviously my other metaverse gaming play I really like is Decentraland. I own a good chunk of this as well. I'm actually down on my position on this one, which is kind of sad, but it is what it is. Decentraland, a little bit bigger market cap, close to 800 million, but they sell virtual real estate, virtual goods. They're in the online gaming, gambling space now. So they're doing some big things behind the scenes, and Atari is a big investor in them. Now, if you want to go for that risk it for the biscuit play right now, I really like Pepe. As far as meme coins go, you know, you really never know with these things, but, you know, you're looking at Pepe. It's ranked number 66 of all coins. It's had a pretty big rise. It's also a little bit newer into the market. It is available on Uphold if you wanted to buy it there. I'm not sure what other exchanges have this. I got to imagine it's on quite a few of them. But, you know, Pepe, it could just be one of those ridiculous plays where, you know, you put $1,000 into it and then it turns into like 20 or 25,000. I mean, it's a meme coin. And, you know, we'll see how this thing plays out, but, you know, I think it's got some momentum behind it for sure. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this little update on XRP. You know, if you get anything from this, just remember, if you're looking at price prediction websites, you got to look at when they were published, a lot of those, and because they're just completely all wrong, and they're irrelevant at this point. Okay, anyways, as always, thanks for watching this, and we'll see you in the next crypto video.